Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your AT&T eSIM step by step. First, open your web browser and go to att.com and log in to your AT&T account using your ID and password. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the My Devices section. Find your phone, then tap Manage Wireless. After the page loads, scroll down and select Device Options, then tap Manage Your SIM. Here, you'll see your current SIM information. Tap Get a new eSIM, then select Get Started. Follow the on-screen instructions. AT&T will walk you through setting up your new eSIM. You'll soon get a notification on your device to download and activate your eSIM. On your phone, go to Settings, then Cellular, and click Add eSIM. Then tap Set up eSIM and follow the prompts. If needed, you can also scan a QR code or enter an activation code manually. And that's it. Your AT&T eSIM is now active and ready to use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.